Friends, today we are going to make rice kheer. For rice kheer, we need about 4 liters. I am boiling 4 liters of milk here in a thick bottom vessel, as well as I would need some jeera rice. Wash this rice, clean it properly, and then I am going to add this rice into the kheer and start cooking it on a low flame. This would take about 2 to 3 hours to cook. So after it cooks, it reduces to half. We will add half a kilo of sugar into this, as well as almonds. We are going to soak almonds, grate it and add it into this. So I have added 4 tablespoons of rice into 4 liters of milk. So this rice into this has to cook and become soft, and the milk has to reduce to half of its portion. Now you see the milk is reduced to half and the rice is soft and cooked. At this stage, what we are going to do is we are going to add half a kilo of sugar into this. Now this mixture will become little watery because the sugar is dissolving inside the milk, but now it will thicken after some time. The brown looking pellets here are nothing but 100 grams of almonds. You have to soak them overnight, or you can do one thing, you can just boil them in hot water, blanch them, remove the peel, and then soak it for some time, boil it for some time with the peel, remove the peel and grate it finely and add it into the kheer mixture. Now this dish is ready. I've added grated badam into it. You can see that milky white rich color into this, and I've added this finely grated badam into this, cut into small chips. So let's put that in a serving bowl, and here is your kheer ready to eat. You can chill this in fridge for about 1 hour and take the taste of it. If you like this dish, subscribe my channel and give me a like for this dish. Thank you.